Oh. Hey everyone, Kind of Ketchup here, and welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna be microwaving this. Let's see what happened. I got from guava juice, so yeah. And by the way, yesterday's video that I did, or like a couple of days ago or something, last video I uploaded, that was I'm gonna make a part 2 in a long time because we got in trouble for that. So yeah, I'll just do this. Wait, you're gonna have to look at this for a second. Okay, there we go. Wait, I'm gonna get a chair. Never try this at home. I'm just doing it because I'm dumb. Oh, shoot. Look at it. Oh, shh. Did you see that? If you want to get your house on fire, do not try it. Guys, never try this at home. It smells like... never try this at home, guys. This is just, but let's take a look at this. Look how cool it is. It smells weird. I think there's no crumbs or anything inside. I just threw it out over here inside because I didn't want anything to catch on fire. And look, I could still see the words. It says nutri things. There it is. I don't know if you can see it. You probably can't because it's blurry. Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave a big fat thumbs up, subscribe, and this is like, look. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Dab on them haters always. Bye.